Hi, my name is Jeff Studer and I am your local oroscopic representative. I wanted to take a couple minutes today to introduce you to a brand new product that we have on the market. I'm really excited about it. It's going to solve a lot of the problems that we currently have in the dental market as far as loops and lights go. And it is called the XV1. It is actually the industry's first loop and headlight hybrid system, totally self-contained. And I think it's going to actually change the industry. Before I get into too many specifications, I want to tell you why we actually decided to come out with this product. As many of you know, when you've used headlights in the past, we had the fiber optic boxes that were connected obviously to a light source. We then went to a portable system like this. This has pretty much been the standard in the industry. The problem typically with these systems are going to be the cable. And not only with the connection from the cable to the battery itself, but the fact that the cable is actually coming off down your back. A lot of doctors have complained in the past that those cables have gotten caught on door handles and equipment. So we, being the leader in the industry, decided to come out with the XV1. First, as some of you may know, we had a retrofit system called the Freedom that basically, as I said, retrofits onto current loops. The problem with that system was that the cables actually ran down the sides of the temple arms, and then there were large paddle type batteries on the back, and some people found those to be a little obtrusive and a little large. So the design of this, our sport frame manufacturer, Rudy Project, actually helped us design this, and they designed a frame specifically for us where the cables from the light ran through the frame itself, and then there are now battery pods on the back. So let me take a couple minutes to introduce you to the XV1. The way that this works, let me turn it off first. Again, totally wireless. I can walk freely throughout the operatory. No issues with cables whatsoever because there simply are no cables. So obviously you can tell by the lens itself, it definitely protects my eyes. You can use any optic that we offer from a 2.5 all the way up to a 4.8 times magnification. You've got your LED headlight here that has a multi-pivot hinge. You've got your curing filter up front. Then you have your temple arms down the side, and actually they're thick enough where you don't need to use side shields, which is another complaint that I often hear about, is the fact that side shields are somewhat cumbersome and they get lost and broken, etc. And then you've got your battery pods down the back. The way that you turn this system on, there are two little tactile sensations on either side. You can actually turn them on with gloves on, so from a hygienic standpoint you no longer have to touch batteries. All you do to turn it on is just hold either side down for about 1.5 seconds, and now your light system comes on. My light is now focused in the center of my field of view. You have two settings on this, basically 2,500 foot candles and 4,000 foot candles, and you simply just tap it on either side to go to low or to high. So again, I can walk freely from operatory to operatory with no worry about the cable running down the side, no heavy battery to clip onto my belt. Just want to give you kind of a look here from the side. It's actually, I think, a very good looking frame. I think that it's stylish, but more importantly, very, very protective. It's going to come in 3 different colors. This color happens to be black. We're going to offer it in white and in silver as well. Let me take you through some of the specifications. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. We're going to give you 4 batteries that come with it, and they basically look like AA batteries. They are a special lithium-ion battery. So there's our clock, by the way. It's 5 o'clock. So we're going to basically give you 4 different batteries. We're going to come with a charger like this. So I may just let the clock go here for a second. So basically two batteries are housed right here. There are little caps like this, and then there are the batteries in here. And basically 2 batteries will get you through till lunchtime. And then what you'll do is you'll take the 2 batteries. Sorry, this clock. Perfect timing, right? No pun intended. So 2 batteries will get you through till lunchtime. At lunchtime, all you do is take these out, put the charged batteries in, put them in here, and then there's you can actually just screw it right onto the temple arm. Now the beauty of this system, there's a couple things. Number one, it's going to counterbalance itself. So as most of you know, their loops tend to be a little front heavy because you've got loops, you've got a light, and they tend to fall forward. So now because the system itself is counterbalanced, it's almost equal from front to back. So people that have tried it have told me that it's very comfortable. It's a little heavier than a normal system, but because it balances a little bit better, it seems to be pretty user-friendly. Obviously, you're going to have a head strap here if you want to cinch it up or to keep it around your neck as you're walking around from operatory to operatory. The other thing that I really like about this as well is the fact that as of right now, lithium-ion batteries, from a cost-effective standpoint, are probably about the best you can get as far as the size and the power that we need. As the technology changes, we've designed the system so that we can now retrofit to smaller batteries. So as the technology changes and the costs come down on some of the more, I guess, higher, I wouldn't say higher quality, but better technology batteries, these actually may get smaller, and this cap8 may actually get a little bit smaller. So for the time being, it's actually not too bad. It's a pretty small little system, pretty lightweight system, but it will adapt as battery technology changes. So other than that, I'm really excited about this product. I would like the opportunity to meet with you to one-on-one if you'd like to see this product. So feel free to email me back. If you have a desire to see this product, I'd be more than happy to show it to you, okay? Again, Oroscopic XV1, the world's first hybrid loop and headlight system. Thanks very much for your time. I appreciate it.